Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to enable cruise control and how to manage it. Firstly, start driving, make sure that the seatbelts are fastened and take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got this blue button. Press it to activate cruise control. Now press set button to start it. Now you can increase the speed by pressing the RS plus button, decrease it by pressing set minus button. To disable it, press the button again. By pressing this button, you can adjust the distance from the following car. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.